How to turn off the security alerts in Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you some simple steps by which you can turn off the security alerts in Facebook Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Open up the Messenger application, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner, then tap on the gear icon which will open up your settings. Scroll down until you find the option called Privacy and Safety and then tap on the option called End-to-End Encryption Chats. After it loads up, simply tap on Security Alerts, then on Manage Security Alerts. After that, you'll be able to manage your security alerts, so you have to toggle off the option for your device or keys chains. Once you toggle it off, simply reload the application and then you'll be able to see that the security alerts has been turned off. And there you go. It is as simple as that to turn off security alerts in Facebook Messenger. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.